Thinking about your future and successfully rebuilding your life means carefully understanding all the rules and responsibilities that come with your journey. Sometimes, seemingly simple questions can have really important answers that protect your hard-earned progress and keep you on the right path. To answer your question directly, if you are currently on probation, especially for a felony offense or a misdemeanor crime of domestic violence, you are generally not allowed to own, possess, or even have a firearm in your home. This is a very serious restriction with significant consequences if violated. This prohibition is not just a standard probation rule, it is deeply rooted in both federal and state laws. Under the Federal Gun Control Act of 1968, individuals convicted of a felony offense or a misdemeanor crime of domestic violence are legally considered prohibited persons. This status applies even if your sentence was probation, making it unlawful for you to possess firearms. The core reason behind these laws is public safety, ensuring that individuals with certain criminal histories do not have access to weapons. So, what steps should you take to navigate this? It is absolutely essential to thoroughly review your specific probation conditions. These documents are legally binding and will explicitly detail any restrictions on weapons. If there is any uncertainty, do not make assumptions. Your best course of action is to speak directly with your probation officer for clarification, or, even better, consult with a qualified legal professional. Understanding and strictly adhering to these rules is paramount for avoiding serious issues. A crucial detail to remember is the concept of constructive possession. This means even if a firearm is not physically on you, but you have knowledge of its presence and access or control over it, or it is in your residence, it could be considered a violation of your probation. For example, if a firearm belonging to another household member is in a common area of your home, this might still be considered a violation. It is also important to note that state laws can sometimes add further restrictions beyond federal mandates, so always consider your local regulations. Ultimately, successfully completing your probation means avoiding any missteps that could jeopardize your freedom. Knowing and respecting firearm prohibitions is a critical part of this process. It helps you stay focused on your goals, maintain compliance with the law, and continue moving forward confidently toward a fully rebuilt future.